Internet Search Engine Marketing, Latent Semantic Indexing, Simplified. If it's your goal to succeed with an online business, then you'll want to get a lot of traffic from the search engines to your website, and in order to do that you will need to know a thing or two about a thing or two, particularly Internet Search Engine Marketing, SEM. There are many components to successful SEM, one of which is making use of keywords. Once upon a website, keyword density was king, which resulted in a lot of junk websites filled with questionable, confusing nonsense masquerading as legitimate content cluttering the internet. These sites were loaded with ads, and they often rose to the top of search engine returns for their keyword terms. This was a great situation for junk websites, but not so good for legitimate sites with content relevant to the search term. These days, however, it takes more than keyword density to rank well with the search engines. Keyword density is not as important as it once was. That is not to say that you should not use keywords, you absolutely should, but now you only need to work your main keyword into your content a couple of times as opposed to loading it into every paragraph wherever you can make it fit. These days, you need to be more concerned with latent semantic indexing, LSI, than keyword density. What is LSI? Here is a simplified explanation. LSI is an algorithm used by search engines that can recognize the semantic relationship between words and phrases within your content. It looks for word/phrase relationships within and between paragraphs, within a page, and throughout the site as a whole. LSI refers to the way search engines now crawl web pages for relevant content. Though the algorithm doesn't actually understand the meaning of the words, it does detect whether words and phrases within a document are semantically close or distant. The whole concept sounds crazy complicated and technical, which it is, from the perspective of a search engine, but as far as SEM is concerned, working successfully with LSI is actually very simple. You just need to apply a little common sense. Think of it like this. All you need to do is make sure that all of your content is focused on the theme of your website and your main keyword. Think of your site's theme and your main keyword as an umbrella. All of your content, keywords, and keyword phrases must in some way fit under that umbrella. As an example, let's say the overall theme of your website is health and wellness, and your main keyword is good health. In days gone by, to achieve a good rank at the search engines, you would have loaded every paragraph with the keyword good health. Now, however, the focus is on not only the theme of your site, health and wellness, and your main keyword, good health, but whether the words and phrases within a paragraph and page relate to good health and wellness. The LSI algorithm goes to work to determine if your content supports your theme, is semantically close, or does not support it, is semantically distant. If words and phrases related to good health, such as nutrition, vitamin C, fitness, yoga, benefits of good health, herbs for good health supplements, etc., appear throughout the pages of your site, the LSI algorithm will determine that your content and pages are semantically close and therefore related to your site's overall theme of health and wellness/good health. If, however, your main keyword is good health and your content contains words and phrases such as reef aquarium tips, saltwater fish, algae, and aquarium filters, the algorithm will determine that your site's focus is semantically distant because there is no relationship between good health and words or phrases such as reef aquarium tips. Makes sense? Don't let the concept freak you out. It's a positive shift insofar as SEM is concerned. Now that search engines give more weight to latent semantic indexing when ranking a page, we are free to create content that has a natural flow as opposed to the often awkward content that resulted from focusing strictly on keyword density. And the best thing about LSI is that your site is no longer in competition with junk websites where the focus is keyword density. Search engines now recognize sites that rely on keyword density as spam sites, and those sites are excluded from the search results. LSI ensures that content is relevant to search terms and makes it possible for search engines to return a selection of high-quality content to web users. LSI is a good thing, a really good thing. All you have to do to make it work well within your SEM strategy is apply a little common sense when creating your content. Write naturally and tie your content together with words and phrases that are related to your keywords and your site's overall theme. Simple.